here's a different bear. Saying the thing right in the middle, like butt facing us, way down there next to that pond. So look at my picture. Well, it's right there in the water, swimming. And how it's climbing on shore. That's pretty far off. It's going the other way now again, right? I think. He's fighting with something. So we're all being really quiet, but there's nothing out there now. As we leave, you can see it's starting to rain a lot, and there's a bald eagle sitting there on that rock. We just pulled out at Finn Island. We're headed back to the ship. Our tour is done. That was a pretty good tour. The people working here were great. The people in the lodge were great. The food was great. The rain, not so much. At least that guy came to say goodbye. In the pouring rain, mind you. Yeah, maybe not pouring, but rain. And that's as close as I can get on him. I'm zoomed all the way out. Or all the way in. This is all the way out. See the difference?